Hello people and welcome to a new video. We'll be changing up the theme of the channel and doing some programming stuff for a while, moving away from gaming. As you know that the corona outbreak is upon us, so stay in, stay safe and keep your hands sanitized. And while you're doing that, I thought you guys would have some time to kill. So today in this video we'll be coding along a text-to-speech project using Python. So for this you will require an IDE. I'm using the Python IDE here, and you'll require Python version 3.7 and plus, and I'm using Python 3.8. And if you're new and you don't know what I just said, I'll be giving you download links and video tutorial reference links down in the description below, so go through those videos and set up your IDE. And once you have set up your IDE, you will have something like this in Atom. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna minimize the Atom, go to your CMD, that is your command prompt, and for the people who have just set up your IDE, I want you to run this code, pip install pip. This will install a Python installer in your system, and hit enter. I have already done it, so I won't do it again. And for this particular project you will require a module called as win32com.client, so you need to install that as well. So for that, what you're going to do is you'll go again in the your command prompt and type in pip install pypiwin32, that is pypwin32, and hit enter. I have already downloaded it, so you can see that the requirement is already satisfied. So this is the only module you'll be requiring. If you want like other modules to work with your Python, you can always visit the Python's main website. I'll leave everything in the description below. So now after you have done that, close your CMD and come back to your Atom and create a new file. Let's call it test.py, and remember to put that py extension, as it's really important. Now in your Python file, we'll start with coding now. So first you have to import the module that we just installed. So you're going to type in import win32com.client. So this this line is going to do is it'll import. It's like a hash include file for your C and C++, so it's going to include that library function to your program. Now you're going to create a variable. I'll call it as speaker, and here you're going to give the attributes for win32com. So you're going to type in win32com.client.dispatch, and please note the cases here. The D is capital, and then you're going to give in the attribute of sapi dot sp voice. So let me increase the size so you guys can see it properly. So please note the cases here, because this is case sensitive. The D is capital here, the whole of sapi will be capital, and S and V will be caps. So once you have done with this line, you're going to give in any statement that will always fetch you true. So I'll give while 1. This statement always gives you a true value, and you're going to print your statement. That is, this acts like a printf or a cout statement in your C and C++. This is for the beginners. So let's give type something that you want your computer to speak. So next you're going to create another variable. Let's call it s, and we take it as an input. So now what you're gonna do, once you have taken the input of what you want to speak, you're gonna call your variable this variable speaker, and you're going to give an attribute of speak and your variable from where you have taken the input. So speaker dot speak attribute, and the parameter will be s, that is your input. So that's it with the coding part. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna save it by pressing Ctrl S and open your terminal. How to install the terminal and other packages given in that reference link which I have left in the description. So here you're gonna go in, and once you're inside the folder where you have saved the file, just type in Python and your file name, that is test.py in my case. I'm gonna hit enter. So here, as you can see, I have given type something that you want your computer to speak. So let's say working properly and hit enter.
Working properly.
So I hope you could hear that it is working properly. So let me give it again. This is, I have given
Try Shabite.
Well, that it really fucked it up.
Trish.
Good. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any other suggestions for me to do some of the videos, please leave it in the comment section below. And if you have any errors with the installation and other things, I have also given my Instagram link in the description. It's a public account, so don't hesitate to DM me. I'll surely help. And thank you for watching. Stay in, stay safe, keep your hands sanitized.